Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for joining me and Merry Christmas. Today is indeed Christmas Day and we are going on another hunt for James. He's been asking for James for a couple of months and we thought, you know what? Let's get it to him for Christmas Day. And it indeed arrived 2 days before Christmas. So we were really happy for that. Before we go hunting, please remember to like and subscribe. And right now, let's go hunting for James. So who is James on the island of Sodor? Let's get into it.
James, stop!
James is the number 5 red engine. He is a medium-sized engine whose 6 driving wheels are not as big as Gordon's but not as small as Thomas's. He has a fine scarlet coat and brass dome and thinks of himself as a really splendid engine. Occasionally, this leads to misguided ideas about the sort of work suitable for such a distinguished engine, invariably landing James in trouble. Now here's a fun fact. James is a mixed traffic engine, which means he can pull both passenger coaches and freight cars. So it is Christmas Day and we decided to visit my aunt and her family who were visiting from the United States to have fun with the family and of course a big dinner. Ooh, what a spread it was. My aunt has a small garden which is really beautiful and so we decided this was the perfect spot to do a hunt. Now for the whole day, Zizah had absolutely no idea that he was getting a Christmas gift. I guess he just accepted the fact that there was none forthcoming. But boy was he dead wrong.
No, don't go that far. You missed the whole thing. Oh, what's that under there?
A present!
I wonder what's inside.
It's James!
You found James! You got your James Tinder, okay.
Oh!
Alright.
I got James in the present.
So that's your Christmas present, that's what you asked for, right?
I don't know this present. I'm a trainer. My friend's James. Let's go back there. Hey James. No, that's not real. I'm sleeping.
Thanks for stopping by and spending a little bit of your time with us. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas and we look forward to a great 2023. Now please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you think. Until next time, walk good. Have a happy new year.